An undefining clause is the additional information, the description, which is not of great importance. I mean, if we leave it out, the meaning of the sentence won't really change. For example, my wife Kelly, who is the owner of 5 private schools, is the richest woman in town. My wife Kelly is a noun, is the richest woman in town, is her description, and who is the owner of 5 private schools is our non-defining clause. It's an additional piece of information about her, and it's not essential. If we drop it from the sentence, the meaning won't change so much. My wife Kelly is the richest woman in town. The fact that she is the richest woman in town is her main description. And who is the owner of 5 private schools? It's additional information that we can leave out, and the meaning of the sentence won't really change. That's why it's called non-defining clause. When we have a non-defining clause in the sentence, we always put a comma before it and after it. Remember it. Let's see another example. Last year, I visited Marseille, which is a city in the south of France. This clause, which is a city in the south of France, is a non-defining clause. It only gives us additional information about the city. If we leave it out of the sentence, the meaning won't change. Last year, I visited Marseille. That's all I have to say about non-defining clauses. Stay tuned for more useful videos.